Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to text background in Capcut. First, open Capcut and start a brand new project. Import the video you want to edit into your timeline. Then, head over to the Text tab, usually found on the top left. Choose Default Text and drag it onto your video track. Make sure to extend the text layer so it covers the entire duration where you want the background to appear. Now, let's make your text stand out. Type your message and pick a font that's easy to read. You can easily change the size, move it around, and select a color that complements your video. To add a simple background, scroll down in the text settings until you see the background option. Turn it on, pick a color, and adjust the opacity and corner rounding for a polished finish. For a more dynamic background, let's create a text behind subject effect. Duplicate your main video clip and place this copy directly above as an overlay. With the overlay selected, use the Auto Removal tool to cut out the background, leaving just your subject. Now, drag your text layer so it sits between the original video and the cutout overlay. This creates the illusion of text behind your subject. Once your text and background effects are in place, take a moment to review your entire video. Check that everything looks exactly as you envisioned. You can fine-tune any element, from text animation to background opacity. When you're happy, select your desired resolution, like 1080 pixels and frame rate. Then, simply export your video, and it's ready to be shared with the world.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.